What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So why I'm selling this Sony A6400? Firstly, we are botting for the selfie detail screen take a little bit of time. For example, it's not like I can easily flip. Number one, I do like this and then like this and then like this. To close, I do like this. As you can see, I do like this and then I close. To open again, I do like this first, as you can see, like this, and then I do like this. I mean, it's like pain in the butt, to be honest with you. And then like this. Okay, so okay, it's acceptable. Though I am selling this Sony A6400, this is an amazing camera for video. Also, if you are going to use with a gimbal, just get a cheap gimbal. Fiotech G6 Plus, cost you $200. Amazing then. But if you are going to use the camera on for video, like walk and gun video, do not get this. Get a camera recorder from Sony A6300. Do not get the Sony A6500 with the IBIS. The IBIS is also crap. Because for video, if you are going to use put on a tripod, monopod or selfie stick, amazing. If you want to walk and gun video like a vlog, do not get this camera. There's no stabilizer in it, to be honest with you. Even the lens, the OSS lens is quite bad, to be honest with you. So this camera not good for vlogging. Number one, I bought it for vlogging. This camera do not good for vlogging. There's no IBIS. Number two, the image quality is not that good. The image quality is average. Again, do not get this camera for walk and gun type of production vlogging. Get this camera to use on a gimbal or a tripod or a mono stick. I hope you get the point. I am literally disappointed with the camera because I need a camera for vlogging where I walk, I vlog, where I hand over the camera and then I show you around while I'm traveling. This thing do not have any IBIS. This thing, all of the lenses which I test produce very bad, I mean a stabilizer, I mean videos, to be honest with you. So called the OSS is one of the worst OSS, one of the worst OIS. This camera is only good for recording for your YouTube channel. If you are going to sit in a studio, in a home, in a park, put on a tripod, monopod, selfie stick, I don't care, and then reuse. Or put on a gimbal like a cheap $200 gimbal. Fiotech $200 gimbal produce amazing images. I mean, to be on video quality. But other than that, I'm just not happy. And then a kit lens produce a lot of vignetting if you're shooting in RAW mode. Yeah, the vignetting mean there's like the black one on the left and top left and right and bottom left and right. I hate it. Other than that, the thing I love is that the viewfinder is one of the best, better than Panasonic, Olympus, Canon, Fujifilm. I don't know, I just love the viewfinder. I mean, this was one of the best ever I used. The grip is best. I mean, this camera have its need. Amazing camera. If you're going to use on a gimbal, tripod for photography or walk and gun, it's not a good camera. That's why I'm selling. Subscribe.